project is the Year of Reading Daringly, and it was inspired by the Year of Adventure. We wanted to do something to reach new readers. We wanted to encourage people to take risks with their reading, and we also wanted to bring in the whole aspect of social media.
Yeah, I think it was really important for us that Year of Reading Daringly also, as well as reaching a target audience for us, it was really important that we, along with that, upskilled some of our own team. So a lot of the Estyn Allan working party that were involved, it got us involved in a lot more different so many different platforms, so many, I for one used Blogger, which I'd never used before, and Hootsuite, and it definitely got us more competent with Twitter and Facebook, and analytics as well was something that we looked at that we hadn't before.
Absolutely, I think we've a long-standing partnership between the 6 North Wales authorities. We've done lots of various projects together, and we wanted to take it to another level and do something completely different, to stretch ourselves, to stretch our staff, and to inspire us all, really.
But also the engagement stretched further than just the actual followers to us, because we reached out to the authors, didn't we,
yes,
and to publishers,
yes,
and some of those got on board and retweeted and replied to tweets. So it was definitely a different sort of approach for us, wasn't it?
It was a very positive response from the authors.